Hello, welcome to our new video. Today we are going to learn counting 1 to 10. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's draw. Number 1, pink color. Two, blue color. 3, green color. 4, purple color. 5, orange color. 6, indigo. 7, brown color. 8, blue color. 9, dark green color. 10. This is looking so beautiful. Now, let's count 1 to 10. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Yay!
Thank you so much for watching our videos. Stay tuned for our next videos. Till then, like, share, and subscribe. Till then, bye.